and welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. Today we're just going to make this little box which will hold a couple of chocolates, and I thought you could fold up a gift voucher from a beauty salon and pop that in there for Mum for Mother's Day. On my blog you'll find this card that I've made using the Sweet Soiree embellishment kit. The only stamping is the Happy Mother's Day, and I got that from the Teeny Tiny Sentiments, which is retiring. So get it while it's available. And all of this, so I've got window sheet, I've got the embellishments from the embellishment kit and some vellum. And then over here where the ribbon joins, I didn't have quite enough ribbon there because I've used so much of it. So I popped a couple of flowers and one of the vellum leaves. And I popped some more flowers on the inside. So there's my Mother's Day card. No stamping. I've used the Sweet Soiree embellishment kit. And it's on the last chance product list. So get that while it's available. And this is the Sweet Soiree Designer Series paper on Berry Burst with the metallic edged Berry Burst ribbon. And today we're going to use the same DSP, just a different design, and Rich Razzleberry. So we'll start off with our box. So it's going to measure 8.2 by 9.8 centimetres. Scored at 1.2 centimetres all the way around, or in Imperial it is 3 1/4 inches by 3 7/8 of an inch, scored at 5/8 of an inch all the way around. So we'll just go ahead and burnish those score lines, and we'll make our box, and then we'll go ahead and make the wrapper for it. Now don't forget, you can buy all these products in my online store, and now is a great time to join because you can choose new products in your kit. There's the new Share What We Love bundle. There's 3 options in that, so you could either get the whole bundle, or the Gotta Have It All bundle, or the mid-size bundle, or just starting out bundle. And then of course there's all the new products that you can choose from too, coming starting on the 1st of May. You'll be able to choose those in the starter kit. So for $169 you get up to $235 worth of product free, plus free shipping, and there is no obligation to stay with the company past your original 3 months. So that'll take you to about, if you join on the 1st of May, that'll take you to the end of October. So that's pretty good. All right, just using some liquid glue. Used a bit much there, so I'll just use a little bit there. All right, and we'll just bring that up. Make sure your edges are even at the top. I'll just hold that for a minute. I do like liquid glue because it's strong and won't come apart. It might take a little bit longer to set, but you know that what you make will stay adhered. So a little bit on there. You don't need a lot, so again, put that up. And that one. Yes, so think about joining my team. I've got some great team training going on. I've got a wonderful team of lovely ladies of all different ages, and yeah, it can be Australia-wide. Doesn't have to be New South Wales where I am. My team training is accessible to anybody Australia-wide. So think about joining. All right, now our wraparound, this piece here, is going to be 6.5 centimetres by 13 centimetres, or 2 5/8 inches by 5.5 inches. You're going to score at 1.2 centimetres, 6.2 centimetres, 7.4 centimetres and 12.4 centimetres, or 5/8 of an inch, 2 5/8 of an inch, 3 1/4 inches and 5 1/4 inches. And this little bit here on the end is our tab. So all you need to do is go along and burnish all those score lines. This is a very quick and easy gift to make, and it will hold a few little chocolates or a couple of little chocolates in there. Most mums don't want a lot of chocolate, watching their waistlines or something similar. So think about putting, a gift voucher in the bottom for beauty salon, a massage. Most of those places don't have the plastic type card gift vouchers, but they do have paper ones that you can use. All right, now here's where my paper piercing tool comes in. I'm going to flip that up on its edge, and I've glued down here, and I'm just going to rub it along there to make sure it's all well adhered. All right, now because my join is there, that's the bottom of my box, I'm going to have that as the top, and I'm going to put some DSP on there that is 4.5 centimetres by 6.5 centimetres, or 1 7/8 of an inch by 2.5 inches. And just add that with liquid glue again. And look, this is a wonderful project for using up scraps of card and DSP as well. No use just leaving your DSP to sit in a drawer and look pretty. You may as well use it up. The join's there, so that's the bottom, and this is the top that I'm putting this onto. Now it's a snug fit, the DSP. If you want it to be a little less snug, you want a little bit more border around it, just chop it down a little bit. Put your items inside your box and then slip your box, and it also is a snug fit. All right, so then you just pop it in, pop your box in, slide it in like that, and then you're going to just pop a bit of ribbon around. I'm using the 1/4 inch white organza ribbon that comes in the occasions catalogue, and it's carrying over, so it's beautiful ribbon. I'm trying to use up the scraps I've got. I've got a plastic bag that I have a ring around, and I just keep that for scraps. And I was tidying up my ribbons the other day, and I had a couple of rolls that were very close to the end, and so I decided to take the ribbon off those that was left and put it in my scrap bag. I'll actually show you my scrap bag in a sec. All right, so there's our bow. Okay, so Mother's Day card. So there's 2 boxes, one for your mum, one for your mother-in-law, one for your grandmother, or 2 for your grandmothers. All right, and then you can pop a gift voucher or something in the bottom. All right, I've got it on one of these jump rings, and it's got a self-sealing top, and I put any scraps of ribbon I've got in there. And then when I'm doing a project, I look there first and cut my ribbon off accordingly. So, yeah. Okay, so thanks so much for stopping by today. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you come back again soon. Okay, bye for now. It'll take creation, imagination. Try to draw outside the line. Let us see inside.